Good afternoon to all. I encourage everyone to interact with me during the live session. Let me know if you have any question or thoughts on the market. For those who are new here, I am Aditya, your analyst on behalf of Dolphin Market and an experienced streaming analyst. I have been trading for last 7 years. I started my trading journey back in 2018 when I was in college. From then, I have uh, I have managed a lot of portfolio and also traded on my accounts and made huge profit on it. And in my professional journey, I have managed a portfolio of around hundreds crore, more than 100 crore in my all organizations which I have worked with, and I have generated a massive wealth for the client. Basically, my techniques are more of a fundamental. I focus less of a technical as of now, but I'm gaining insights into all of the units which we can. But basically, whatever market condition I have seen, the most important thing for your investment is to look into the fundamentals of the stock. And technically, I believe that two things are most important thing, that volume based trading is an important thing in trading perspective, and swing trading is also important, that you can take a quick profit out of the market, right? So why swing trading is important, why volume trading is important, I will also explain this in brief. Now first analyze the global market. What is Nifty doing as of now? Why Nifty has opened flat in the morning session and it is falling as of now. So we will uncover all the doubts which you have as of now, because there is a lot of fear in the market and we have to clear it out, right? So we will look at the current movements. We will dive into the stock recommendation which we have provided and what are the new recommendations we have come with, right? uh, and we will also let you know what are the returns which we have provided till date. We have closed two positions today, even after having a bad market condition as of now, and generated a wealth and profit for you even in the downside market, right? So as we are seeing, Nifty is not performing well. We will look in the chart of the Nifty. What is going on here? Nifty has opened on a neutral note at the morning, but it is falling as of now. It is falling as of now and making a red candle here. You can see there is a red, there is a red everywhere in a Nifty, and Nifty has fallen down below 24,000 mark, make currently trading at 23,900, which is 24,000 was a crucial support for Nifty, right? 24,000 was a crucial support. Now we were looking that Nifty is falling little, lagging behind 24,000 mark. So we will be remain cautious here for taking a long trades, right? So we will remain cautious at this level, because this level is very, very critical as of now. Once the Nifty goes above 24,000 level, we will be able to re-enter the market again and make a long position again, because this level Nifty is not sustaining as much. And we have seen that after 24 it has reached 24,345 level, it is getting back to 24,000, down below 24,000. There has been fall of 350 points from its high. So there is a big fall from its high, but we have to be remain cautious. We should not catch the falling knife, right? We should not catch the falling knife, because if you catch the falling knife, it can cut your fingers, and it can we can be in a situation where our portfolio remains negative and goes negative. So we will look what Nifty is holding as of now. Nifty started around Nifty started around 23,200 level, but it started gaining in the morning session. We have discussed in the first and second hours, but it has fallen a mark. Now Nifty is going down below 24,000. As we have discussed previously, that Nifty has an expiry today. Today is an expiry for the Nifty, so we are expecting a downfall here, and we will also look what are the global conditions going on. Before that, we will look what bank nifty is doing, right? Yeah. So we are here with a bank nifty. We have discussed that 52,000 was a critical point in bank nifty. We had a support there, but it has broken down the level of 52,000, right? It has broken down the level of 52,000. Here we had a critical support, and now it has broken down below that level. So here also we should remain cautious as of now, because it is trading just below 52,000. Once it will make its comeback to the level of 52,000, and once it breaks the level of 52,000, we will be able to re-enter again and make the profit out of it. But as of now, we are seeing a lot of negativity and lot of downfall in the bank nifty as well as in the nifty market. Before we were seeing there was a good momentum going on bank nifty, and it has touched a high of 52,760 at a point. And after that, it there was a profit booking in the market as it is expiring, so many people are closing their positions. So due to that, volatility is also there in the market, and this index is as of now is 1.2x volatile as of nifty. So we are looking that bank nifty always remains volatile, and it has been a large constituent. It consists a large chunk of volume in nifty, right? So bank nifty is also going negative. We remain cautious here. Once it crosses the level of 52,000, once it remain cautious of 52,000, we will be able to see its positivity, right? Here. And now we will go into the global indices chart, and we will look what it holds for us. Before that, we will look who are the highest gainers for today and the losers as of now, and which stocks are making 52-week high and low as of now. Right. Looking into it, we have Adani Green, Adani Power making circuit. Like in the stocks, Adani Green has made a 10% circuit here, and it is trading at a circuit of 1087.2. It is trading at the highest. Once the circuit opens, we expect more positivity, because there are only buyers in the market right now for the Adani Green. And Adani Power Limited is also going good. Adani Power Limited, following its Adani Green parent company footprints, is also going good. They are from same group, Adani Group. The both the companies, and Adani Enterprise also positive here. Adani Enterprise has lot of businesses in India, and they have they have tremendous potential. They have given the tremendous returns till now in last 4 or 5 years. So these are the gainers we have seen today as of now, and there are also the losers. If we have gainers in the market, there will also be the loser in the market, and we will look what driving the market downwards. As we are seeing, the insurance company are not doing good as of now. uh, right now the SDFC and SBI is going down, and Infosys, the big IT company in India, the second largest IT company in India, is also not performing well. It has fallen to 3.5%, which is a major concern as of now, right? And the Swiggy and Oracle Financial Services are also doing bad, not performing well in today's market condition, right? So we will come back and look what it is going to be now. We will see the all the indicators which we have. As we have already talked about the gainers, Adani Green, Adani Powers, and Adani Enterprises. Adanis are pushing the stocks, but market is overall not looking positive as of now. We will look back. We will be back to the global indices. As we are seeing, the Nifty is trading at a level of 23,981, and it has not been uh, good as of now. But if you see the US market, it's opening on positive. It's regaining its losses which we have seen in the morning session. In morning session, US was 0.3 to 0.2% negativity was going on. It was trading below its level of 6,000, the S&P 500, but it has regained its momentum as of now. And for UK market, it was positive in the morning, and it is balanced as of now. and it is following the neutral footprints. And because we can see the balanced reaction as of now, we have discussed in the morning also, there were some index of many stocks which were in negative, and there are many stocks which were in positive as of now. So overall, if we see, the market has a mixed reaction. There is a confusion among the market. The overall global index, most of the global index are in mixed and not showing some positivity or negativity. There is no clarity in the market as of now. So because of the doubt and due to the expiry, Nifty has taken a dip of 340 points, making it negative of 1.5 point, right? We have also seen the FII DII buying yesterday. We'll also analyze, since today is the expiry, we will analyze what FII has bought till date and what we are expecting in the future. So yesterday there was a net buying of 1300 crores from FII and DIA. As you can look, the FII have bought 7.80 crores. It is not as much the FII buys, right? Before, it has bought FII of 1000 crores, and FII on 25th of November it has bought a 9000 crores. Till now they are positivity, making positivity as of now from last three trading sessions, and we are expecting that today also they will be positive in our market. Look, from the starting of previous this expiry, we are seeing there was a negativity in FII, right? FII were selling the stock, and they were all selling the stock. They were not positive about the Indian market. From the starting date of 28th of November, we can see FII selling the stock, and till 22nd of November, once the Maharashtra election was there, there was a momentum build and positivity came out in the market, and FII start investing their money in the market for the longer prospect. When FII invest, we assume that, and it has been seen historically that FII investment push market upwards, and then where FII invest, there is a generation of positive sentiment in the market, and investors start believing the market and go, and the stocks start following its footprint, right? From the FII perspective, we have seen, we will look at the DIS perspective. DII were always buying the stock, right? From the last 1 month, from last 2 3 days, DII is selling the stock. Yesterday there was buying from DII as well as FII. So we are expecting some positivity. Yesterday there was a positivity in the market where FII and DII both have captured the market and bought and done the great shopping in India in terms of the stock. On, if you see the monthly basis, DII from the last 1 year, it is pouring their money in the market, right? It has been putting the amount of 30,000 crore in November this year. October it had put 1 lakh crore rupees, 1 lakh 7,250 crore rupees in the month of October. Right, DIA has been consistently pouring its money into the Indian equity market. Domestic institutional investors, they are all they are heavily investing in the market. They are very positive about the market as of now, and we will also look at the at the closing time in the last session what FII and DII have done today. That market is going downward, and we will also look at the futures position, what they are currently doing and what they have closed as of now, and what are the open interest rate which they have in the next month expiry. The FII, you can see, they has a mixed reaction in buying. They are most of the time FII are selling their stock in from last 1 year. From last 1 year, there has been more of a red sign, right? More of a red box than green box in buying the stocks on monthly basis. From last 1 year, the FII are consistently selling their stocks, right? So we will look at the some newses, if there are some newses or not present in the market which is putting the market down. So there are no such newses. We will be knowing the market downfall after the After the post market, in our last session, we will discuss what has taken the market to its lower level, and what are the roles and factors it has been playing to take the market level down. Now, we have looked at the FII, DIA data and analyzed the Nifty and Bank Nifty as of now. Now, and we have also done the gainers. We have also analyzed what are the gainers which are pushing the market up, and what are the losers which are putting market down. The market, uh, the market which has dipped as of now is due to the basically due to the profit booking which it had in afternoon. As we have already told, today is an expiry date, so there has been profit booking as of now, and there is also increase in volatility in the global indices. As we have talked, there is a mixed reaction in global indices, and there has been volatility in the market, right? So we are expecting that there is a due interest rate hike may happen in US. And there is a possibility that there will be an interest rate hike in US, and which have affected the investor sentiment, right? Additionally, some of the large cap stocks in Nifty and Bank Nifty are underperforming today. As you have talked, some large cap stocks are not performing today as of now. The constituents which hold large chunks of volume in Nifty are not performing well as of now. They have taken the Nifty to a level of below level of 24,000, which is a very cautious, which we should remain cautious at that point of time. Once the Nifty crosses the level of 24,000 mark, we will be able to be positive and invest it heavily. Right. Now we will look into the profit what we have made generated for you in last couple of days, and what are the overall profit we have made till now for you. We have also closed two positions today, and also opened an position. We have a update on, on call. I am letting you know that we have an update on call GGBL. We have an update on call at GGBL today. So we will update it. So we'll update at the, it's trade in NSE. GGDL, we have made an entry, right? We will make an entry at 415 and 415 to 420 level, with a target price of 5% profit booking of 436 441. 441, and we have our first target price is 445 460. We'll be having our first target price at 45 455 460. Now we will have our second profit margin at the nearby of 470 475. But it is very important that you book profit at the level of 5%, and wait for the second target price, and you start booking profit from the 5% profit level, because it is very important to book profit in the market, right? Once you start booking, you will be able to go towards the next call. We have generated a call as of now. We will look what are the possibilities that we will get return in it, and what the technicals and fundamentals are showing of this stock, and we will also analyze it fundamentally what it holds as of now, and why we should go long for now. So we will come at the trading view to analyze the stock. So the stock which we have in, so the stock which we have in our portfolio is GGBL. We will look which stock, yeah, we have got that stock. So we have got that stock as of now, and we will look where we are making an entry and where we are expecting it positivity, right? Uh, we are making an entry at this level at 415 and 420 levels as of now, and we are expecting the stock to grow at the level of 436 and 441 for a 5% profit mark. So we will make an entry here at the level of 415, and we are making an entry here at a level of 415, and here we will have the first 5% profit mark 436, 436, and we will have profit at 436 and 440, right? So we'll mark here when we reach our profit, we will be knowing that when to book the profit, right? 5% profit mark. So at this level we will be booking our profit, right? Let me put it up. At this level we will be making our 5% profit mark. We have made an entry as of now, and we'll also analyze what it holds as of now. We are seeing a green candle generating as of now, and the stock is positive, 5% positive. It is trading at 5% positive. It is showing a good green signal. It has made a red signal previously, and now it has given a breakout from its low level at 400, and now we are uh, expecting to grow at 440 levels easily, and we will book our profit at that point of time at 436 and 441 level, the 5% profit mark. And we have a long at this time, we have a long at 470, 480 for 10% to 15% position, long positions. So we will also be get into that once we book our 5% profit mark in a first term. Then we will look for how we can go for a long, and what are the frame which we need to wait to get the profit of 10 to 15% in the long term, right? In the long position. So today we will analyze what Green Ganesh Green Bharti Limited does in our fundamental analysis. So we look what businesses it does. Ganesh Green Bharti Limited is an Indian-based company that manufactures solar panels and provide engineering, procurement, and construction services for solar and electrical projects. So they have a business in solar and electrical projects. Also provides engineering, procurement, and construction services. We will look now. We will analyze it fundamentally, what it holds for us, and why this stock could be a good pick for you as of now. It is showing a good reaction from the morning itself. It has made a low of 400. After that there was a huge buying, right? After closing, after reaching at the level of 400, it has made a huge comeback, and it has reached to a level of 419 as of now, making it 5% profitable. There's a 20% increase, which is a great sign. It is showing a strong bullish sentiment as of now. For a day or for a hourly chart, we are seeing a strong bullish movement as of now, and we'll also analyze it fundamentally, what it holds as of now. The stock is very much volatile, as we are seeing the stock is making a new high and new lows, right? It's making a new high and new lows. There's been trading with a good volume, so we are uh, looking at this strong as a good potential. On a weekly basis it was a negative as of now, and on a monthly basis we'll see it is a positive. It is gaining returns. 14% return in 1 month is not a bad thing, but we have again entered this position as of now at 420. We are expecting to break out to the level of 435, 440, where we can book our first 5%, and we are going long for the rate of 470, 475. Right now we look to its valuation and performance. Performance has been balanced as of now. There has been no absolute return till late, and because the stock is new in the market, and it's It's a small cap stock. It only has a market cap of 991 crore, and a, it is ranked at 1463 in the Nifty. So it is a very small cap stock in Nifty, uh, below 1000 crores, right? So there are a lot of potential in the stocks left, and if the business grows, does well, we will be able to see the growth in the possibility, growth in the sector, right? So we will analyze its key metrics and financial to unfold that what it holds for us. So the PE is a little bit high as compared to its sector PE. PE is 49.87 as of now, but technically, as we have discussed, technically it has given a breakout, so it's a very good sign for us. And sector PE is 21. So valuation wise, comparing the PE, it has a high valuation, but we will look what the business is doing and we will compare it with its peers. Okay. So PE is balanced as compared to its peer. We have a PE of 49, around 50 PE for this Ganesh Green Bharti Limited, and now Adani Green Energy and Premier Energies are having a high PE as compared to Green Ganesh Green Bharat Limited, and NHPC is little low. NHPC is a peer of Ganesh Green Bharti Limited, right? And so it has a low PE amongst its peer. It has the lowest PE amongst its peer. And if we compare the PE ratio of Ganesh Green Bharti, it is below its peers, right? So we are expecting that there is a growth in the segment in utilities and renewable energy, and we can expect the positivity because people are willing to pay even at higher PE to these stocks, to Premier Energies and Adani Green. So we can expect there are some positivity because renewable energy, there is a lot of focus in renewable energy from the government side as well, and there has been a lot of promotions going on for renewable energy. So because of that, there has been momentum in the renewable energy sector, and it is providing a great rate of returns from last few years we have seen. Looking at the technicals of the volatility of GGBL is 59.98%, which is not much, and the RSI is also 40-day RSI is also very low. It's in not a over not in a overbought condition, not in a oversold condition as of now. It is a balance, and the RSI is indicating positivity. It's in a sold zone only as of now, but we are not expecting anything negative as of now, right? And for others, the RSI is also oversold as of now, and not very at high valuation. Right, comparing to its peers, the share price, the GGBL has been average as of now. It has not been able to provide the returns uh, in a good way. It has been average as of now from July 2024 to November 25, and Adani Green and NHPC is giving a greater returns as of now. We have seen 50 to 70% return till date. So we are expecting that GGBL will also follow its footprint and give you the greater returns, right? And we will look at the balance sheet of the GGBL. For the balance sheet, we have a consolidated financial statement. We will look into the income statement as of now. So, income, if you look from 2020 to the income is been income was low for 2023 as compared to 2022, but it has grown. It has almost made an 1.9x, like almost double its revenue from last year, which is a very positive sign in the market because the revenue has been double from its previous year. The previous year company was making 90 crores, right? You can see 90 crores, and now it is making a revenue of 171 crore. We will also look at this income, net income. Previously, the net income was 5 to 8 crores. Now it has been the income has been also more than double from its last year income. It has made an 8 crore, and now it has made an income of 19.88 crore, which is a very positive sign. It is showing the efficiency. Now revenue is also growing for the company and income is also growing up to that mark. From last year, the revenue is also doubled and income has been more than doubled. So it's a very positive sign. There is a strong income statement we are able to see, and we will look at the assets and liabilities it has as of now. The assets which is hold is also been doubled from 87 crores to 150 crores as of now, and there has been liabilities have also increased, but not as much as assets have been increased. The total assets had increased from 87 to 150, 63 crores. There has been increase in assets, and the liability has increased only by 40 crores. So there has been increase in assets of 20 crore in last 1 year. Even if you minus the liability, there has been increase in assets of 20 crore, right? In looking income into the growth terms view, as we have discussed, it is showing a growth of, from last year it is showing a growth of 89.80%, we have discussed, and net income was 143%. There was a growth. And in terms of balance sheet, we will see that total assets last year has grown 71% and liability is also grown 73%. But in terms of volume, what we are seeing, the total volume, it is the assets is making its gain out of that, right? We look at the cash flow. Cash flow is also very positive. It is showing a sign of positivity here. Net change in cash, and the capital expenditure is also increasing as of now, and the free cash flow is little bit going negative. The cash flow is negative, showing some negativity in it. But overall, if we see the balance sheet, we have the total assets, it is increasing by 71%, and the liabilities also increasing by 73%. But if we look in terms of normal view, if you look at it in terms of normal view, it has been great, remarkable increase in assets. Assets have increased 20 crores more than its liabilities, so it's a very good sign for us, right? And we have compared the price and its peer comparison. We have done the price comparison from its peer, and we will look what is most important. What we look into the most important thing, the promoters holding, either it is decreasing or increasing, right? Promoter holding plays a very important role in the market. If the promoter Right, if the promoter increases or decreases the stock, there is a great possibility that we will know what is going to happen in the future. Promoter holding tells us a lot. Suppose promoter is decreasing its stocks in each and every quarter. That means promoter is selling his stock. Promoter is not confident in that business. So stock may not perform well. If promoter is confident about that business, promoter is very confident that the business will do well, so they will increase their stake or they will remain constant on their stake. But if promoter decreases their stock, that is a very bad sign for investors, right? So we should look what promoter is holding or not. Now, as we can see, there has been no promoter holding, and it's also important that if a promoter holds large chunks of stock, and if it has a large chunk of shareholding with promoters, that is a very good sign. As we have seen, the shares with a large promoter holding has grown a lot because there has been demand for the stocks a lot. Limited stocks are trading, and these promoters are also very confident in that business, and so automatically the business grows as well, right? Now, there are some negativities in the market for this Ganesh Green Bharat, because there has been uh, retail holding has been increased by 4 to 4.24%. As we have discussed previously, the retail holding, if it increases, it is a bad sign for a company because the other institutions are decreasing their stakes. The domestic or foreign institutions are decreasing their stake, and retailers are increasing their holding. There may be some reasons, but there may be some negativity in the market due to which for domestic institutional or foreign institutional are decreasing their stock. But we will look what will be the overall analysis for this company as of now. So from so before it was a non-listed company, so it was promoter had 100% holding on that, right? And when it has diluted that stocks to the market in the month of July, August, when it has came to the market, equity market, it has the promoter stake was decreased to 73%. So it is natural that when you dilute the stock, when you come to the market, you will be selling your stake to the investors so that stock will be able to trade in the market, right? So the promoter holding has been 73.42%, and the domestic institutions have bought this stock at 6.19, and foreign institution 5.11. Retails and other were at the positions of 15.28%. And we will see as of now the domestic and other domestic institutions and foreign institutions have decreased their stock, decreased their stake from the high of, as you can see, the foreign institutions were having 5.11%, and they have decreased their holding to 3.06%. And other domestic institutions have their holding at 6.19%, and they have decreased to 2.76%, which is a little bit of negative sign. But many factors depend. Promoter here have not decreases their stock. The other domestic institutions, foreign institutions are decreasing their stocks, but not the promoter. Promoters are still confident in their businesses, and they have not placed their stocks for getting for and not increase their liabilities as of now, right? The stock is showing a good profitability. It scores at 10 out of 10. Return on equity is very good, 42.427% as of now, and profit margin is also good. As we can see, the profit margin in this unit, which this BB GGBL is dealing, the 11 percent profit margin is really good, and it is an average, and we can see it scores 7.3 out of 10. The cash flow margin is 0.1%, which is good in this unit, which is trade. The cash flow remains low in this industry, so it makes 0.1% cash flow margin. So it's a good sign for us. Now, and there has been not in overboard zone as of now, so there is a possibility of entry. As of now, we have also made an entry, right? We have also provided you with the entry call as of now at the level of at, at the level of 420, and we are expecting it to grow to a much great level, and it has a very good, it is not in overbought zone, so it's a very good sign that we can enter the stock. And once the stock reaches its potential mark of 470, 475, we will be able to generate more returns out of it. And there has been no red flag as of now in this stock. It is not in the ASM or gray market list. No promoter placings are there, and there is no unsolicited messages or no default property. There is no news of promoter holding their stock as of now. As of now, we are discussing the market, and neither there has been unsolicited messages going on in the market for this stock. The stock has been very positive. The stock doesn't have any news out of it. The the profits are very balanced, the operating margins are balanced, and it is not into bad business or news for any operating activities going on in the stocks. And there has been no such insiders or bulk deals, so we are expecting the stock is a balanced and uh, good combination of showing its profitability, and assets are also increasing as of now. So overall, we will do top to bottom 360-degree analysis in few minutes, what we have discussed till now. So we had made an entry at 419, 420 as of now, and we are expecting the stock to grow at a level of 436, 440. We had made an entry as of now. The performance of the stock is really well from from the date it has entered the market. The PE is a little bit high as compared to its best, but the profitability which is showing is justifying its PE, and we are expecting more profitability to come in. The renewable energy sector in the market is doing really well. The stocks which has been into the renewable energy sector is performing really well, and we are very positive about that. We have seen the income is growing at from last year it has grown to 89.80%, from 90 to 171, and the net income has also been more than double, 147% increase. And the balance sheet is also positive, where the assets has grown to 70 crores and liabilities have grown to 40 crores. So overall it makes a very good combination to invest as of now, and it has no red flags neither in the ASM or JSM list, nor it has any unsolicited messages present in the news. And the sectors which it belongs to has a very good potential in it, and we believe that the stocks to grow at our 10 to 15% return at the level of 470 and 475 levels, right? And we will be able to make a good profit out of it and go long in it. As we are going long, we are very positive about that. We are very much uh, we are very much interested in holding this stock as of now. Now we will look. Now we will also discuss some some of our past trades which we have made, and what we have achieved till now. So we have entered NFL. We have closed NFL today at the 9% profit, right? From morning session, I was expecting that for the people who have entered at 113, making an exit at 120, will make a profit of 6%. But we have made a 9% profit because we were long at the levels of 110, right? And we also had a new entry as of now, GGDL. We are expecting the GGDL to grow from this 415 to 20 levels to 436, 441 very soon. And there will be a first target price after the 5% profit level. We will have the first target price at 445, 446, and we will second price at 470, 475. As we have discussed, uh, we are expecting the fundamentals are very good for this GGDL, and we have done the analysis. After analysis, we are expecting this stock to grow because the revenue is growing, assets are growing, and the profit margin also good, and the cash flow ratio is also good, right? So overall it makes a balanced portfolio, and no negativity are present in this stock, neither it is on overbought zone, right? So GGDL makes a good investment as of now. We can enter this stock very easily at this level. We don't have to be cautious that it is increased by 5%. Why we can enter the stock? We can enter the stock if we are getting a returns of, even if the stock is trading at high, because we are expecting more positivity out of it, and the returns generation can be more higher than it. 5% return is not a very big return as of now, right? So we have updated you with the current update what we can enter as of now, and we will see what we have achieved till today. Today we made an two exit. uh, we have made an two exit at NFL and their plastic. We have achieved our profit of their plastic at 305, and we have made an exit at NFL at 120, making a 19% and 13% return. Right, we have generated 21% return combined in last two trades. Can you look to our profitability? We will discuss all in details right now. The profitability which we have achieved till now from the dolphin market side is 190% profitability we have achieved in closing 39 trades we have closed till date, and in just a time frame of 2 months we have made a 190% profitability. Till yesterday we were at profitability of 168%. Now we have are at profitability of 190% as of now. So why you don't join with us and make start making money? At the end of the day, we all want money, right? So just let's join with us. Be with Dolphin Market. We provide you with the research recommendation. Once also, I want to mention one thing, that we only not deal with equity. We are dealing with equity as of now because we want to gain confidence of you in equity. And then once you start making profit in equity, once you start booking profit in equity, we will take you to the other markets as well. right? In the commodities market, in the beat currency market, we trade in all these segments. We have a very good research team backed by very good analysts. We are also here uh, in live streaming session. We analysts provide you with the live analysis. Fundamentally, we have our other members. We provide you analysis with technical covering. We cover all the aspects here. So it's mix a balance, and we the research which we provide is very much profitable till now, and we have a very good hands-on experience on equity market, and we will be also taking you to the forex market and commodity market as well once you start getting profit out of equity market, right? Many people comes to us and tell us that they are not able to trade in equity market due to their busy schedules. They are very busy in their work. So we will come up with the solution. We will come up with a solution that they can trade in forex, they can trade in commodities after the office hour. We also have the option for them in the forex market. We know we have been it has been active for 24/7. If you are not able to trade in Indian markets, you will be able to take trades in US market, you will be able to trade in China market, you will be able to take trade in Singapore market. So that is a very good sign. uh, Overall, if you're not making money in equity, you can make in commodity is traded till midnight in India. So you will be able to gain more insights of it once you join us and be with us. And we our research are very backed by technical and fundamental analysis, and we do very deep research to provide you with all the calls. As you can see, our researches and calls are generating profits for you. Most of the calls has been closed, and we have generated 190% profitability in 31 trades above in 2 months, right? So it's a very good for you to invest with us and generate profit, because at last we are all here to make profit, not to lose money in the market. Every every mistake has a financial burden on you. Every mistake you make, you will be at a position of loss, and you cannot afford to lose your hard earned money. We are investing our hard earned money in the equity market, be it commodity or be it forex, to earn some extra out of it. The money which we have in liquid, we are investing that to gain some returns on it, right? We cannot expect to lose that money and sit idle. So please join us for more insightful session in coming ahead, right? So you'll be able to get more calls. We will be able to we will be encouraged to generate more calls, and we will be able to uh, tell you more calls about it, right? And we will be able to generate more returns for you. As we will wrap up this session, right, I want to emphasize once again why this 5% profit margin is very important. The more you book profit at this level, right, the more you book profit at this level, there is a small chances of there's a less chances of getting into the market troubles and its volatility. Once you book profit, you will be able to take more profits out of it, the profit which you made in this trades, right? And and we have also generated, we have also told about our returns. In last 2 months, we have closed 31 trades and generated 190% profitability in 2 months in various stocks, in various segments, be it oil, be it copper, be it everything. And we have generated calls from each and every sector and generated returns for you. And we have also added a new stock GGDL, which we have made an entry as of now. We encourage you to make entry, and we will be making exit at this level, right? So it's a very good stock as of now. Now we will looking at the closing of the market, what the world is performing, and we will come to the close of our session. uh, Now the world market is performing mixed in, right, the S&P 500. Now we will look into the current data, what it is going as of now. So this is the current data we have as of now. the US market have started gaining. There is a lot of positivity in the US, France market, and Germany. Most major European countries and US markets is showing positivity, except Nifty. I guess that there has been expiry and there has been huge buying from last few days. So there is some changes in Nifty, but it has crossed the mark of 24,000 as of now. So we are positive about that. And once it remains and sustains above 24,000, we will be very positive, and we will be able to gain much more out of Nifty. We will look tomorrow and post market what are the conditions and what FII DIA have done till now, right, till today, and we will analyze for the month and uh, what are the holdings and what are the trades they have made and how much they have bought or sold in this expiry period in the month of November. The Germany market is also going good, but Hong Kong market is little bit of negative. So Hong Kong and Nifty are only negative as of now, but it is sustaining above 24,000 level. So we are positive about that, right? And rest of the markets are going good. So we can expect the Nifty to be in green tomorrow and backs to it and sustain 24,000 level, so it can grow a lot, right? And we have also discussed about our this call GGBL. We have made our entry at 415 420 level, and we are expecting it to gain 5% very soon at the level of 436 and 440 levels. uh, Taking at the Nifty, it is sustaining above 24,000. And gold, if you look at the USD INR, we will looking at the currency. uh, there has been increase in USD INR a bit, but it is not showing that positivity. It has been increasing a bit, and for the gold is going negative as of today. So the gold is also negative and the equity market is also negative, but it goes parallelly, I guess. It goes parallelly. Once the gold is also decreasing and Nifty is also decreasing, that means the Nifty will be growing in coming session because there is a fall in gold, and that's why the global market is gaining right now. And we are expecting in the next session or in the closing session, we are expecting a Nifty to grow, and Nifty will be bouncing back. If it sustains the level of 24,000, we are very sure that Nifty will be going at the front zone. We have analyzed the global indices and its effect which can have on Nifty. We have analyzed the Nifty as of now, gold, and INR. Uh, and this is the overall structure we have as of now. And we have told about the GGBL where we can make profit. We will be entering at that 410 415 level, and we will be exiting our mark at 435 436 level, right? Don't forget to make your profit 5% profit mark there. And we are looking at the Bank Nifty is just above its support of 52,000. Once it crosses the level of 52,500, we are expecting it to be positive. It is trading, it is consolidating as of now, but there is a strong resistance present at 52,500. And once it crosses that level, we will be able to see more upside in it and growth in it, right? And now we have discussed about the Nifty, and now we have also told that why booking profit is very important, right? 5% profit booking is very important. As we wrap up, I want to tell that GGBL as of now is showing good, is making good investment opportunity. You should enter at the level of 415 420 and make a good return for you. We have seen why Nifty and Bank Nifty is negative as of now due to some expiry, and there's been profit booking in the market going on, right? Global market indices are overall profitable, but The Nifty and Bank Nifty is little bit down, but we are expecting the Nifty and Bank Nifty to grow in the next session as well, right? And uh, to all our viewers who are watching this video, I want to let you know one thing. The streaming services which we are providing as of now, it's only available for next 2 or 3 weeks, right? Once we gain, uh, as we are new into the market, we are providing the streaming services for free as of now. For it will only available for 2 3 weeks, so take more profits out of it. Book your profit at a gain and make most out of it. Once we once we develop our strategy, once we enter into the forex commodities, we will be able to generate you more returns there, and it will be only available for the VIP customer. As we are seeing that we have made our profitability, right, in equity trades, and we have shown our expertise in that, and we will be also entering the forex and commodities market in future, and make you more profitable out of that, right? So join us for the live session in the upcoming session, right? So you can gain more insights out of it. Remember, trading is not about timing the market, it's all about time in the market. The more time you give in the market, the more you will be able to generate the market. By applying a disciplined approach and focusing on this strategy, we can obtain a sustained result. It's now to welcome you to the new live streaming session analyst, and we will be continuing with today's session. They will share more insights into the potential stock picks, market conditions, and trade recommendation. Before I hand over the mic, let me remind you that if you want to get in depth of to this stock picks, updates, and market analysis, stay tuned for the VIP membership details at the end of our session. Till then, goodbye, happy investing, and make money for yourself.